Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be using random stuff and we're just going to make a really natural looking eye. Kind of. You know what I mean? It's like as natural as I can go. But I'm trying to go with the natural because the foundation that I'm trying is like a super natural foundation. So I was going to do a big bold eye with purple, but then I decided maybe not with this foundation. So that's what we're going to do. A natural but better eye. So let's get started. I'm going to use the Dream Street palette. I may use other stuff too though, depending on which way we go. I'm going to start off with my Essence Eye Base. Just put this and get rid of all that purpleness. Blend that in. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here for my transition color, the first color in the palette. And I am just going to pull this all the way up real high and then halfway across my lid. Just give it a little depth in that outer corner. This is getting a little darker than I wanted. So I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush and just blend it down a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with, this is like my favorite brush now. This is my Sigma E55. And it's kind of dense and it's just perfect for putting on the lid. And I am going to use this color right here for my lid. And it's like a satiny one. I have to look this way to see what we're doing here. And I'm going to put this on the whole inner half of my, well actually I'm going to go 3/4 and blend it over the other. I just want it to be a soft satiny. Looks like my eye naturally shines this way. No makeup. Just like that. Just to lighten up that lid a little bit. Au naturel. Perfect. That's all I'm going to do for the shadow. Oops. Now, I'm going to go into, I have to keep these glasses here. Let's see, into my liner. I'm going to use brown liner since we're going to do this kind of natural. I have naturally brown lines in my eyes, right? And I'm going to push line between my lashes and then I'm going to smudge it up a little bit. Then I'm just going to pull it up in the outer corner so that I can give that corner a little lift. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara. And I think I'm gonna use my Monsignor Big mascara. Since we're going for natural, I'm not gonna use lashes. And while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to do my brows. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Flower Beauty. It's my favorite so far lately. My favorite nudie one. And that's what we're going for, natural. This is Bare Pout by Flower Beauty. And that's it. So that's today's look. Our natural eyes with our natural face. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!